i35equipment.com. This is the Case CX240B hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you prefer. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website or send us an email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers along with a nationwide broker and get you the best rate that comes back. As always, if you know anyone with idle heavy equipment, our specialty is consignment heavy equipment. We can connect your equipment with buyers all over the country, get it sold for you. Feel free to call or check out our website for more information on our consignment service. That's www.i35equipment.com. Getting the phone number is 405-833-6437. This unit does have the full cab, also has a nice large Hvac bucket on it and a Bodine thumb. That thumb has 3 different positions, so you can actually pull this pin out and change it from one of these 3 positions, get it closer to your bucket, depending on if you're grabbing all the time or not grabbing as much. You can also just remove the pins, take it off, put it in the barn or in the bed of the truck if you're not going to be using it at all and just want to dig all the time. The bracket stays welded onto the arm there. Bucket has 5 teeth on it. Be great for pulling some trees or grabbing scrap metal or anything else you want to put to work doing it. It does have the cab front guard there, front and lower, or upper and lower guards. Keep you safe from accidentally bringing a tree back too quickly or anything else that could happen. Go ahead and check out the Intercarriage and we'll hop up in it, start it, go through the operations. Looks like it was serviced May of 21 around 6746, 6735 on that one. This machine does have that travel pedal in case you're going across the pasture or ways across the job site. Pretty clean in here. Gonna zoom on out to the fisheye lens, give you a good view of the interior. Set the camera down while I climb up. Looks to have the factory case seat in it. So look behind the seat. Get it fired up. It does have the factory HVAC system here. You can turn it on. It sounds like the fan does not come on though. This is your travel pedal down here. If you just want to go forward or backward for a ways, you just press and hold it down. Go ahead and show it to you. Get this arm pulled up. That way you don't have to use both feet or both hands or hunch over to stay up here. You just use your foot to do it. It's your throttle control, and you can see it. See if we can find you a radio station here. And check this radio out. Working radio. Currently showing 1.5 hours. Show you through the operation here. You can see my right hand. Pull back. Right opens the bucket. Left lower closes the bucket. Forward lowers the arm. Forward moves the stick out. Back moves the stick in. Left and right are for your turntable. Seems to track really well. Sometimes in this size class of machine, they don't turn as well unless you're running both tracks at the same time. You see this one turns very well. There's that travel pedal again. Here's just a clock, your vents. So all your information is going to be right up here. Appreciate you taking time to watch the video. Oh, why don't we hop on out? We'll just leave it run. We'll hop out and we'll go check out the motor on it. Storage down there. Looks dry here. Looks like it should. There's a Kawasaki pump, pretty common for many manufacturers to use that. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory online, www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.